Hi everyone, my name is Megan Bladen. For my research project, I have decided to analyze the use of Quizlet in a science classroom. This video is a summary of the first two chapters of my research proposal. What is Quizlet? For those of you who may not know, Quizlet is an electronic flashcard application that allows students and teachers to create their own flashcard sets. In addition, this application allows students to choose how they want to study. The image shown is a screenshot of my Quizlet account. After a vocabulary set is created, students may choose from flashcard mode, learn mode, speller, test, matching, gravity, and live. These choices allow students to interact and take control of their learning. Many students find learning new vocabulary terms difficult and struggle to remember the key terms and definitions. It can be very time-consuming to create paper flashcards as well as boring. Quizlet helps students become engaged with their learning, which in turn allows them to learn and retain information more easily. Within this research project, I hope to answer three questions. 1. Does the use of Quizlet increase student achievement in 6th grade science classes? 2. Do 6th grade science students feel motivated to participate in the use of Quizlet? And 3. Does Quizlet promote communication and collaboration between 6th grade science students? For this project, both qualitative and quantitative data will be collected. Qualitative data will be collected by observations and interviews, while quantitative data will be collected using a summative assessment such as a pre- and post-vocabulary test. As the researcher, I expect to find a positive outcome where students will become motivated and excel. For science in particular, vocabulary is extremely important. Without it, one cannot understand the curriculum. With Quizlet, students are able to use their mobile devices or computers to practice their vocabulary terms. When students are engaged and motivated, they are more likely to succeed. Quizlet falls under the category of game-based theory. Shoot and Key define a game as interactive, provide ongoing feedback, grab and sustain attention, and have appropriate and adaptive levels of challenge. With the use of games, students are able to learn by trial and error, which creates a student-centered environment. This image is a screenshot of the Learn mode. If a student matches an incorrect term and definition, Quizlet shows the correct answer and keeps track of correct and incorrect responses. Studies specific to this topic have been done comparing electronic flashcards and paper flashcards. Students have found that electronic flashcards were entertaining and effective. Technology is constantly changing. It is now up to the teacher to determine what is best for their students individually and as a whole class. Quizlet encourages students to study more often, which leads to higher academic achievement. It is unknown if Quizlet provides students with the opportunity to communicate and collaborate with their peers. This aspect will be explored during this research project. Hopefully the results of this research project will provide more insight to the benefits of using Quizlet to study vocabulary terms.